Banyo jingtip halor ka jingdon udaw Iong hapo ka jela. Nadu baka NGT kalakang ban klong ya uni umar po kendo ka yeng ka shari Meghalaya High Court badon buram kalathong ya ka komiti ban pej benia halor ka jingti daw Iong Be-Ain hapo ka jela ka balayalam daw justice BP katake balasong tan. Haka arpusan treg leber hajar arpusan. Kani ka komiti kalalum ya ka jingalang ban pan jing pensyai halor ka kaipot ka balayo haka khat khandai tarik leber hajar arpusan ka bayade bat ka aerial survey na ka banta banyo jing khen ya ka jingdon udoyong bad yu bampar yo jing khen. Habakran shakila pathay Khubor u justice BP ulayathu na lor udoyong baladep banlum la NEHU inventory call ka kaipot ka peni na ki South Ligi district ka jela ki baladep banle ya ka aerial survey ka jingdon udoyong ubalati Be-Ain ka long hadu i waypoint khandai po lak metric ton. Ulong ru halor ka ni ka kaipot na kalyang jong uru unsa penbit penbiang yala ka jong ka kaipot ban IT hayeng ka shari. Ula banjur ba unu udoyong bala shem shabar ka dipot bala bo raka Coal India Limited CIL uday ubala khen Be-Ain.
Today's proceeding rather was for having the discussion on the various steps taken for implementation of NGT's order as well as the Supreme Court order and also various orders passed by the Honorable High Court, because High Court has also passed certain orders from time to time. I had two meetings. Yesterday also I had a meeting with Garoda people who were entrusted with the job of conducting the aerial survey. And that aerial survey was in respect of around 730 or 40 square kilometer. And area identified was on the basis of the coordinates of the inventoried coal earlier found within 1 kilometer radius, therefore, though the 4 districts that survey was conducted, the area wise, the square meter in terms of square kilometer, it's a huge area in every district. But we concentrated only around little over 700 square kilometer. And that report has been submitted. That report says that was the whole purpose was to find out whether there was any other coal other than the inventoried coal which has already been shifted to the CIL designated depot and seized under the MMDR Act. According to the report, in 4 districts, that is East Jaintia, Southwest Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills and South Garo Hills district, they found little over 1.92 lakh metric ton of coal other than the inventoried coal. I have asked them to furnish certain clarification, which I am expecting today or by tomorrow. I have asked them to furnish me those clarification by today. I hope that by the end of the day I will get it. So therefore, according to them, other than inventoried coal, there are more coal available within 1 kilometer. So therefore, in today's discussion, I have requested the Deputy Commissioners and Superintendent of Police of the concerned district as well as all concerned departments to be more vigilant about the availability of coal other than this 1.92 lakh metric ton coal. Based on this report, survey report, I will submit my report to the Honorable High Court. What would be my impression on this report? Because I have to give my impression on this report, which I cannot share with you right now unless I submit the report and unless the High why should I ask the government to clarify? Because I am here because of the High Court, as per the High Court's order. These surveys, everything is being conducted because of the direction issued by me from time to time. And based on these reports, I'll scrutinize those reports. I'll have my own interpretation of this report and inform the High Court. And High Court definitely will take appropriate action thereafter. But I am reiterating, any coal other than the coal found available in the CIL designated depots is illegally mined coal. And action has to be taken under the MMDR Act, means FIRs have to be registered, coal has to be seized, the entire coal has to be put to auction, subject to the permission to be granted by the respective courts of law, and the entire sale proceed will go to the state exchequer. Not a single funding will go to the coal miners.
So will you be
Premature to comment because I'm yet to make my mind what recommendation I'll make. And based on the recommendation, as soon as it is made public, you will definitely get the report if the High Court makes it public. And based on that, we will discuss subsequently.
So when did you'll be submitting this report?
Because 28th is the next date fixed by the High Court, 28th of April. Before 3-4 days before, at least I'll submit the report.
will you be having faith in the proposed scientific coal mining?
My mandate is not to look into the scientific mining aspect because my mandate is to oversee the implementation of NGT's direction issued in case number 110 of 92, if I'm not wrong, 92, and the subsequent Supreme Court judgment in the subsequent proceeding, as well as the various orders passed by the Honorable High Court.
But who will look
I
after-
cannot comment